Hello everyone, this is Neha Sharma and you are watching video tutorial series of Aptitude and Reasoning Concept. In this series, I will be discussing the concept in three categories. The first one is Concept Maker, in which I will be discussing the basics. The second is Concept Builder, in which I will be discussing the numericals on the topic. And in the third category, that is Concept Enhancer, I will be discussing the tips and tricks to solve the problems orally in the real-time scenario. So now I will start with my today's topic. This is the problem on ratio and proportion, and the problem says that A is to B is 4 is to 3, B is to C is 3 is to 5, C is to D is 10 is to 9, then find A is to B is to C is to D. Okay, so I will be again discussing three methods of solving this, and the first method is, first we'll find A is to B is to C, and in this case B is same, right? A is 4, B is 3 and C is 5. So if this B was not same, then we would have to multiply this first term with both of them and this second term with both of them. But here it is same. So we now know A is to B is to C. Now what we have to do is C is to D is 10 is to 9. Now here we have to make this C equal. Okay, so here it is 10 and here it is 5. So if we multiply 5 by 2, then this will become 10 and both the C will become equal. So if we are multiplying this by 2, then we have to multiply all the other terms also by 2. So it is 4 is to into 2, 3 into 2 and 5 into 2. So it will become 8 is to 6 is to 10 and D is 9. Okay, so this was our first method. Okay, now our second method is, it is a rule. Okay, if you can remember, then it is very good. Okay, now it says that if A is to B is equal to M is to N, B is to C is equal to P is to Q, and C is to D is equal to R is to S, then A is to B is to C is to D is equal to MPR is to NPR is to NQR is to NQS. Okay, if you remember this is very easy. Okay, now what is M here? M is this, N is this. I'll write with a different color. M, N, this is P, this is Q, this is R and this is S. Okay, so now let me solve it. M is 4, 4 into 3 into 10 is to NPR, 3 is to 3 is to 10, NQR, 3 is to 5 is into NQR, R is 10, and the last is NQS. So it is 3 into 5 into 9. Okay, so it will be 120 is to 90 is to 150 is to, this is 135. Okay, so if we cancel these, then we will get 8 is to 6 is to 10 is to 9. Okay, so this was the formula which you have to remember, and if you could remember, then these questions will be solved on your fingertips. Okay, now I will discuss the third and the most convenient method. Okay, now the problem says that A is to B is how much? Just a minute, I'll see the question. A is to B is 4 is to 3, B is to C is 3 is to 5 and C is to D is 10 is to 9, right? So again what we will do here is we will write these in a different form, okay? So the first thing is 4 is to 3, the second is B is to C is below the second term we will write the first term of the second ratio like this, and C is to D is 10 is to 9, okay? Now I will make the lines, okay? This is one, then this is another, then this is another, and this is another. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So in the first term we will get this into this into this. Okay. So it is 120. I will write it completely so that you understand. 4 into 3 into 10. 4 into 3 into 10. Then this. Okay. It will be like this. Okay. So 3 into 3 into 10. Then this. And then these. Okay. So what answers we will get? This is again 120 is to 90 is to 150 is to 135. Okay, and our answer is 8 is to 6 is to 10 is to 9. If we divide all these by 15, then we will get this answer. Okay, I think this was the most convenient method. So you should understand this properly. What we have to do, we have to multiply these 3 and we'll get the first term. Then these 3 will get the second term. Then these 3 will get the third term, and then these 3 will get the fourth term. Okay, so I will be telling you many more tricks to solve the problems in the real time scenario. So stay connected. So we are done with the lesson. If you find the video helpful, then give a thumbs up and share the video with your friend. Every Friday, I will be uploading more videos, so stay connected and subscribe to the channel. If you want notes and worksheets, just click here and go to my blog for the notes. If you have any doubt, you can comment or mail me. So all the best, study well, score well, and thank you so much.